Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at HVAC system for our house project that we've got going here. So we worked in this a while back and we did start a little bit of electrical. We got a structure going, and so now let's look at our HVAC. So now to do that, let's go look at our basement level to make sure we've got everything in place here. So let's go down below, basement's there. Okay, so we do have our air handling unit there. So let's go and do this now. So we can't be in this file, as you all know, because we're going to link in a MEP template. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to just go exit out of here. I'm going to close this guy up. So now what I need to do, I want to go and I want to do a new template. And this is going to be, now we've got several choices here. We can go over here, we can browse and say, plumbing, now, electrical default, system default, but I'm gonna go back here, keep this simple, and just use the systems imperial template. If you're in metric, you can use metric. So I'm gonna go okay here. So now we're in our mechanical template, or systems template, and then as you can see in our project browser how things are lined up and organized. And see, that's what I like about the system. You can do plumbing here, and you can also do HVAC. So we're going to focus on HVAC mechanical here. So right now I need to go and get that architect's model. So I'm going to go to my insert, and I'm going to link Revit. And where was it? Okay. We got to find that file. So I think it's on my desktop. Okay, there. That's the one. So I'm going to open that, and I want it to be internal origin to origin. Okay, so I'm going to go open. I'm sure I got a video where I've done this before, and this is a small version, so we can kind of get to learn how to do this. So we got a hot water here where we're going to do our plumbing, but for this we want to focus on the HVAC. So we got an air handling unit already in here from our architect's model. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring that guy over across, because you see I can't touch it, I can't do anything with it. So what we need to do then from that point is we need to go into our collaborate tab and do a copy monitor link. So I'm going to select this link and I want to copy. And I want to click this. I'm just copying this. If I wanted to do multiple, I can do multiple here, and then I can just grab everything like so, and I can do the filter. So the only thing in here I really want is the mechanical equipment, and there's one. So I'm going to deselect these. I'm going to click apply and OK. And then I want to finish here. Yep. Taking a little bit of time. You can see the little clocks running there. Okay, and then stop monitoring. You can stop it now because we're done. So there we've got our air handling unit in. So let's select it, and good, it's an MEP. So we got our out, our in. So that's where the ducts work. Our ducts are going to come and go from that area, and this one. So now what we need to do here is go into our systems tab and go. Okay, I'm not done monitoring. Sorry. Finish. Okay. Now, as you see, this is all gray because we're not focusing on the architectural stuff, although we can remove some architectural elements if we like. But for now, let's leave them here. I've got another video that I can show you that. So now we've got this guy here. We can even move him around a bit, but we don't want to move it because we're going to have coordination issues with the architects. Or then once we get it done, we can turn this off. So I'm going to select this. Now let's go into our Systems tab, and let's go with Air Terminal here. So these are our air terminals, so we want to put one, say here. Let's get one over here. Let's get one there. Do I want one in here? Yeah, let's just do it for here now. I don't think we need one in this bathroom because we'll get the heat from the bathroom. So I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm gonna go up to my second level here. Now, one thing I need to note here, let's select this guy in the properties. And you see it's on level 1, and we don't really want it on level 1. We need it to be higher in the ceiling. So I'm gonna grab all these, and I'm going to change this to 7'6". It's a basement, so it will be 7'6" in Chicago. So these are now at elevation 7'6". Good. And if I drop that in the section view, you can see that. Okay. Actually, let's take them up to 8 feet. So let's go back into this view. That's actually 8 feet. So select that. We want to make these at 8 feet. Okay, now let's go to our second level here. Might as well get these done while we can. That this will work for me. And then the same thing, we're going to go with our diffusers. We put one there, one here, and one here in the kitchen. Now, for all practical purposes, I'm going to just tile these views. So we've got our first level. We don't need that anymore. Oh, no, we do. We need to go in here and move these up. So let's see. Have a look at here. Okay, so these need to go up 8 feet. So in level 2, control, you want to go at 8 feet. Uh-oh, they're already at 8 feet. Wait a minute, what's going on here? Oh, let's make them at 16 then. We'll see what happens. Don't make me a liar. Okay, now those are out of view. Oh, my bad. I'm got the views mixed up. Sorry. So this is 1, and this is 2. But let's just deal with 1 for now. That's why we're getting things confused. I'm trying to rush along here. So here we've got this at 8, and then here these are at 0, but they should be at 8. See, there's 0 there. You want to make that 8 feet. Just do 1 to show you. Okay? Or, oh, we got some issues with this one, this low. We got a funny little thingy going on. So I'm going to just focus on that mechanical 1. Okay, so now we've got our air handling, our diffusers in. So now we need return air. I'll deal with level 2 later in another video. So we're going to go with our diffusers now. Our return air. So we go back to systems, and we go to air terminal, and then here we want to go down to where it says return. You'll notice return because of the arrows here. So I might want to put a return, maybe, let's put it here. Okay, now let's put some ductwork in here. Now to do that, okay, let's get this guy off the ground as well. So he's going to be he's going to be at 8 feet. Okay. So now that we have all of our diffusers in, it's very simple. We'll just go in and select the equipment. So we got here duct, and then we want to add these diffusers. there's a supply air, and we say okay. And then here, we'll just select generate layout. And there's our first layout. And then we have 5 different scenarios here. Let's look at a couple more here. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we've got here, I'm going to go with this one here, just keeping it simple, and we can go perimeter, network, intersection. So if we go intersections, you see that might be the best route for it. And then we got network, and then we got perimeter. Perimeter could be good as well. I think that might be the one I use because so let's go with that one. And then we want to hit our settings here. Okay, and we got the duct type here. Rectangular, radius elbows, offset is 9. So let's go branch here. And then we go flex duct here. Let's add flex here. Minimum duct length is 6. So our offset is at 9. So we go with that. Okay. And then I'm going to finish that. So there's our duct system here. Now I'm going to do the return on this guy. I think I can. So I'm going to go select this and then duct system. And then I'm going to go return air, and then I'll select the unit. Okay. Select the unit. And then okay. So there's our duct system. So let's look at this in fine view here. So that's basically how you run a duct system. So we can do the second floor in another video if you like, but I'm going to go in here and just have a look in this section view, see what we got going here. So that's pretty good. Make this fine. And there's our flex going through there and everything. So hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to do this. Very simple. I didn't get them. Let me try this return one more time here. So grab this guy here. Duct, and this is return air. Okay, and select that. And you're done. Okay, so hey guys, thanks for watching. So I'm gonna go now, and we're gonna leave it there. Let's go look at this in our 3D view. You can go to 3D view here, and I'm gonna orient this to view. And I'm gonna go to my floor plans, and I'm gonna go to my mechanical 1. Boy, it's slow today. So there you go. So that's what's happening with our mechanical in that level. Make this fine. And my flex is not showing up here. So we gotta fix that. We got a few things we need to fix here. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. This is a quick question about the mechanical layout. So we're gonna probably get going on this and finish this up. But this is just one instance of how this is done. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Oh, there you go. So there's our mechanical system. Probably should have manually added our duct works, but we can do that later on. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Be safe.